Hi, this is Resilient Ken Lau. Now I want to share with you how to create a bookmark. But what is bookmark? Well, let's say I have this here and you see there's a link right here and I just press Control and click on this link. It goes to here. Look at that. That's Black Cat, right? But how do we do that? Okay, now let's just do one more, yeah? So let's say here I want to get this is a black dog. Okay, then I go to the insert tab, picture, online pictures, and I just type in black. All right, I have a black dog right here. Okay, let's just go for this. Now here is a black little dog right there, and I can just delete this item, and there you go. So we got the black dog, and I can go to picture format, remove background. Hopefully I can keep some area to remove. No, keeps the area to have it here and this here. Alright, let's escape and do this. So now I have this, and okay, that's just one. And I can right click here, change wrap text, wrap it into this is currently in line, and I can use wrap text to use the truth. Okay, you can see that this is a black dog. You see, you can move over here. Okay, that's what it means, truth. Okay, this is the black dog. This is the black dog. Okay, so that's great. So just right click, wrap text, truth. You have this feature that. Okay, now, well, I cannot just move it here. Oh, okay. I need crop it also. Choose the picture, choose crop. Let's move here and maybe here. Aha, okay, great. So this is black dog, and then now how do you insert a bookmark? Is that, let's say you highlight this and you go to the insert tab, choose bookmark right here, right in the middle, bookmark, and now we're gonna type in. Now in Malay, dog is called anjing, okay, and black is hitam. Right, in Mandarin is hey mao. You can just no hey go, right? You can also change it to hey go, go o go. Okay, hey go. Whatever it is, it's something that you mean it, you understand it. So here I can just type it as black dog. So you see that this is the where it appears a black dog. So that's why I put it as black dog. And you cannot have space. If you have space, you cannot add. So no space, and that will go click add. Right. So nothing happens. See it? Nothing. But now I go to the very top of the documents by pressing Control Home, and so over here, and let's say here, I just type it. I like black dog. Okay, now if I want the users to click on the dog, the black dog, and then it goes to that page which I already bookmarked, and this is what I do. I highlight this and then go to the link. It's right here, link, or you can right click, choose link, and then you go to place in this document, and you see there's a black dog. Yes, that's the one. And then click OK, and now we got a black dog. I like black dogs. I click on it, and look at that. Look at that. This is black dog. Right? Because it just appears somewhere in the piece, in the document. So you want to quickly go from here to here, jump to from here, jump to here, and that is how you use a bookmark. So again, the first thing is to define where you want to do the bookmark. So you can insert a picture, or you can just without picture also can. It's just there. Here is the train. Okay, the red train. Okay, so here's the red train. So now, okay, wait. Here's the red train. So it could be somewhere in the middle of the documents, and so I highlight this, and I go to bookmark, and I just type it red train, and then add. So now here is bookmark as red train, and I just go to red train. Okay, and I highlight this, right click, link, red train, click OK, and click on it. Red train is right there, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this is useful to you. God bless you. God bless Asia.